Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is Sadhna once again for social science. Today we are going to learn about communication. So let's communicate. In this video, we will learn about the need for means of communication, the means of personal communication, and the means of mass communication. When two or more than two people exchange information, ideas, or views, or any thought with each other, we say that they are communicating. We do not need any means of communication when we communicate face to face. But we need a means of communication when we want to communicate with a person who is away from us. We put the different means of communication into two groups. One is means of personal communication and the second is means of mass communication. So let us know about communication for the means of personal communication. Letters. Letters were the first means of written communication. Earlier, they were sent through trained pigeons or special messengers. Nowadays, we have a proper network of postal system. There are more than 150,000 post offices in our country. We can buy inland letters and postcards from a post office. We can write our message on them. We can even write our messages on a plain paper and put it inside a stamped envelope. These letters are sent to their destination by buses, trains, aeroplanes, or ships. They reach their destination in a few days. Urgent letters are sent through speed post or courier. Telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. It was the first means of verbal communication. We can use a telephone to talk to people within the city, in other cities, and in other countries. It is the fastest means of communication. Telephones are of two types: landline phones and mobile phones. Landline phones are fixed at one place, whereas mobile phones can be carried with us everywhere. We can also send short messages through an SMS using a mobile. Fax. Fax is the short form for facsimile automatic Xerox. We can send written messages and pictures instantly through telephone lines using the fax. Email. Email or electronic mail is a form of written message sent through a computer which is connected to the internet. Most of the computers all over the world are connected to each other by the internet. Now let us know about the different means of mass communication. The word mass means a large number of people. Means of mass communication are used for sending messages to a large number of people at the same time. Let's know about some means of mass communication. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers carry latest information and news. They reach a large number of people every day. Magazines are also a good means of mass communication. They provide very useful information to the readers. radio and television. Messages can also be sent through radio and television to a large number of people. These means of communication provide information as well as entertainment. Messages can be heard on a radio, but on a television they can be viewed as well. Internet. You know that internet connects millions of computers all across the world. Messages can be exchanged on the internet. Nowadays we are using Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp, which help people to share information to a large number of people instantly.